This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Yes,
Millard, may I file my report, Millard?
yes.
Report. Exception file.
We get a copy of the exception that you filed. That's for number 7.
No, আপনার stated respondent রয়েছে।
He is the right on person.
But we've not been favored with a copy of the exception.
এখন করতে পারবে না পারবে না ভুল করবে
Your exception,
yes.
what does the report say?
The kindly takes up Millard. The report is very interesting report.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 4 of the report. What is the report? And they have given a tabular chart at page 5. The grievances, suppression of fact. Millard, one thing may I remind your lordship, Millard, your lordship's pleasure was that, Millard, we should file a very, very short report. That's why, Millard, I have filed a very short report.
You must have included all the necessary
yes.
facts. and
Yeah,
figures.
I am
Then
included.
what?
I am included, Millard.
Yes,
Millard, their grievances and our redressal.
let me see.
Now, when my grievance or suppression of fact, finding is despite the bidder withholding information about their current work in hand, therefore my allegation is proved. How did they justify is fantastic. Yes. The existing commitment of the private respondent number 7 was pre-considered. In technical evaluation, as private respondent number 7 was awarded one number of work lies under WBSRD Birbhum division within this department. After considering the existing commitment, the private, how did they get it? Because it is our department's work. They are currently your department. Yes. Therefore, you had done a research work to find out what is there in favor of the respondent number 7. Then kindly come to 2, bid capacity calculation. The bid capacity calculated from this end based upon SBD clause. The redressal, as bid capacity calculation has been conducted by this entity during the evaluation based upon clause 4.6. So the complaint remains unsustainable. Now let us see what is 4.6. That is at page 37.
Yes.
The bidders who meet the minimum qualification criteria will be qualified only if their available bid capacity for construction work is equal to or more than the total bid value existing. Maintenance, the available bid capacity will be calculated as per the such and such. Then the maximum value of civil engineering works executed in any 1 year during last 5 years updated to the price level of the last year, there are so and so, taking into account the completed as well as works in progress. Where did they get these documents? These documents were not uploaded with the tender documents.
Were they required to be uploaded?
Otherwise, how could they get it? But unless I disclose, they say admittedly in bid document there is nothing. We have searched our department and we found out. Who had authorized you to search your department after the bid documents were uploaded? And then the next. TED license. Next page.
What is the work in question?
But this is Prime Minister Rasta.
Ram Sadak Yojana, Millard.
Ram Sadak Yojana.
Construction of
roads.
work, Millard, infrastructure project.
Upgradation of roads.
Yes.
Now, I believe there are 2 competitors.
Yes.
Myself and the respondent.
Alright.
Now, kindly come to the next page, trade license.
So this is the third call.
This is on the 3rd call, yes, I'm told. Admitted position.
This is second call, Millard. It is not correct. Second call. My officer says it's second call.
Second call.
আপনি বলবেন না কোনো কথা।
Bidder has uploaded invalid trade license,
Yes.
but during clarification, the bidder has submitted valid trade license. Lord, I submit my certificate that I did not qualify. Then say, no, I have got qualified subsequently, therefore I upload this. Then, but as such, no, there will not redressal is as such no clause mentioned in neither in the NIT nor in the SBT containing the qualification criteria for updated trade license. But as the complainant raised, so the complaint raised, private respondent 7 has been asked to submit the updated trade license through mail dated 22nd July 2025 after the bid was opened,
No, পড়ুন না।
after the evaluation is complete. Now, the private restaurant 7 has submitted the uploaded trade license on 22nd July at 3:06 p.m. Upon receipt of the updated trade license. But if this is not favoring a particular individual, I don't know what would.
তারপর পড়ুন না, it has been found, পড়ুন।
হ্যাঁ, তাই তো after uploading পেয়েছি।
তারপর না, it has been found, দেখুন পড়ুন।
হ্যাঁ।
1 month prior towards the invitation of the tender.
That's true, but it was not uploaded.
Complete reading is
If
necessary.
you are in an application, I have to disclose all my
Not
documents.
all technical issues are raised, my lord. They are, my lord, tendering issuing authority, they are the technical, they have the technical expertise, my lord.
A trade license does not require expertise.
But that has not, neither in the SBT nor in the NIT document, that is required.
A tender, a valid trade
No,
license is not required.
kindly seize my redressal. Kindly seize my trade license, my lord, page in my internal page 6. As no such clause, has your lordship got it, my lord?
Yes, yes.
As no such clause mentioned neither in the NIT nor in the SBT containing the qualification criteria for updated trade license. But as the complaints raised, private respondent number 7 has been asked to submit the updated trade license through mail dated 27 July 2025 at 2:47 p.m. And the private respondent number 7 has submitted the updated trade license through mail dated 22nd July 2025 at 3:06 p.m. Upon receipt of updated trade license of the private restaurant 7, it has been found that the trade license has been updated on 10th April 2025, which was 1 month prior towards invitation of tender. From the documental evidence, it seems that the private restaurant has not uploaded the updated trade license due to minor clerical oversight.
Oh.
But as per point D,
Show me from the tender document, what are the minimum eligibility criteria? What are the documents required to be uploaded?
Kindly come to page 21.
And prior to that, who filed this report? Superintending Engineer, Mendipur Circle.
yes,
He is the tender inviting authority.
yes.
Yes.
So kindly come to page 33, general instructions.
Yes, general instructions.
The bidders may submit bids for any or all of the works detailed below. The source of funds, eligible bidders, the qualification of the bidders. All the bidders shall provide in section 3 forms of bid and qualification information, a preliminary description of the proposed work schedule, including drawing so and so. Bidders should have valid registration with employees provident for organization under EPF and Miscellaneous Provision Act. All bidders shall include the following information and documents with their bids in section 3. Copies of the original documents defining the constitution of legal status, place of registration.
Trade license is not there.
আমি বলিনি
হ্যাঁ বলুন।
তুই বলবি ওদের বললাম আপত্তি নেই কিন্তু আমাকে শেষ করতে দে।
ওদের না গভর্নমেন্ট
Legal status, place of registration, principal place of business, written power of attorney signatories, bid to commit the bidder and valid GST. Total monetary value of civil construction works performed each for last 5 years, which was not uploaded admittedly, subsequently they got it. The evidence of ownership of major items of construction equipment named so and so. Evidence of arrangement of possessing them, hire or buying defined. Details of the technical personnel proposed to be employed. Reports of the financial standing of the bidder. Evidence of access, credit and availability for other financial resources. It's authority to seek references from the bidders, bankers. I will show this is also interesting. Information regarding any litigation or arbitration. Proposal for subcontracting. Joint ventures, I am not troubling my lord.
Where is the clause where the trade license is to be uploaded? Is there anything there?
But that is only not necessary for the purpose of the credibility. Initially, they say they has to show their all documents, copies of original documents defining the constitutional legal status, place of registration.
Hmm.
That relates to the trade license. Unless you have the trade license, how can you run the business? And kindly turn to page 41. They require, my lord, the PAN, contractor registration, annual turnover, affidavit regarding corrective certificates, any other document as specified in the state bid documents. Now, trade license was specifically not mentioned, but when it was pointed out, why did they ask for it then? They could have said it's not necessary at all. And then my lord, they kindly come to banker's, my lord, certificate. This is very interesting. Kindly turn to page 124. The banker's credibility certificate, my lord, would be with the bid document. Now, this is the certificate they have used. Kindly have a note. Page 124.
Yes.
Find out without who had issued and what is the date, when was it issued.
Private respondent is Monroe Stone Product Private Limited.
Yes.
All right.
Then can you see?
Upgradation of road. Such and such.
Operation of transfer mentioning this particular job.
This job.
Yes. Is awarded
If-
to the, if it is awarded to the above firm,
Huh? We will
we shall be able to provide
overdraft
credit
credit
facilities to
facility.
the extent of 100 lakhs to meet their working capital.
Huh.
So this is not financial, what is certificate? And not who has signed this and when is this, when was it issued?
এখানে কি আছে?
What is the date?
সেটা কোথায়?
No date is mentioned.
Nothing is there.
And
Court document.
what is the requirement in terms of the contract?
Well,
The
financial
tender document? None-
Worthiness.
Yes, financial worthiness. Where is it?
Well, that is your, my lord, page 41. No, financial.
At-
So, no, I just read it.
At which stage did you go out? At which stage did you go out? Technical.
No.
You couldn't
Like,
participate.
Technical evaluation.
Oh, he's the L2.
Wait.
All-
After L2's financial bid was opened, after my objections were raised,
Hmm.
that I say that at the technical bid level, he is out because he doesn't have these documents.
All right.
That's why
Yes.
this directed them to consider.
Right.
And the consideration was clearly admission that there was lack of documents.
All right. Yes.
And it turned to the page 4.6, page 36.
36. Which portion?
Yes, we got the clause A, 4.6, assessed available bid capacity.
36.
That should be calculated on the basis of this.
I didn't get it. Page 36.
Page 37. 4.6.
37. 4.6. Bidders who meet the minimum will have. Yes.
Only if their available bid capacity for construction is equal or more than the total bid value executive maintenance, the available bid capacity will be calculated as under. Here, Losh will find that maximum value of civil engineering works executed in any 1 year during the last 5 years, updated to the price level of the last year, so and so taking into account the completed as well as the works. The number of works completed, now financial bid deklam. Credibility, just
Yes.
just give me a second, Lord, I shall show. Yes, page 34. With that subclause F of 4.2. Reports on the financial standing of the bidder, such as profit and loss statement and auditor's report for the past 3 years.
Hmm. Not there.
And that then, my lord, the
উল্টা।
authority to take reference on bidders bankers, age. Now, bidders banker, my lord, is at page 1.
Past 3 years auditor's report is not there.
That is there, my lord.
Allegation is not there. Well, it's just to nudge me out.
Yes, my lord,
Because you
sorry.
will not find a single clause.
Yes.
Let me
Yes.
page 1, my lord, page 122 is the, my lord, certificate of the chartered accountant.
122.
This again, Milord, I don't find is dated document. This is undated document. Can you see, Milord, what they're mentioning? 23, 24, 22, 23, 21, 22.
Hmm.
Therefore, this is for calculation of the value of A. And A, Miller, I have just placed before Lordship.
Clause 4.6.
Then the maximum value of projects that have been undertaken during the financial year 2021 out of the last 5 years, and value there is 46.80 crores. Net worth of Mondol stores is 51.92 crores. But this is again an unsigned document. I mean, without dated document.
No, but then it is only the report. There is no figure mentioned as to
Nothing,
this should
nothing.
be.
Nothing.
No, in the requirement also there is no requirement.
If the chartered account issues, he must have a date.
You must have a date.
When was he issued this?
All right.
It
But
might
then
be-
these are very minor things. You are the L2, so
No, I L2 Milord, I did not want to approach after coming L2. I had approached the court Milord when the evaluation Milord was made without violation of technical guideline.
right now they have considered and they
And-
say that is all right.
And considered and kindly see consideration is Milord absolutely beyond the provisions of law. They admit that there was no certificate, no updated
Now
certificate.
these are very technical things which the court will not go into. There is nothing apparent or to show that there has been gross errors or something. Please come.
But this amounts to gross error,
Nothing.
Milord.
The report in the form of affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 6 and the exception thereto filed by the petitioner in court today is taken on record. Stop. The
Deep look.
petitioner contends that the objection raised by the petitioner was not considered by the authority in accordance with the tender document, comma. The learned senior counsel for the petitioner has taken the court through the findings of the to the findings and the redressal as disclosed in the report. Stuff. Next. Upon hearing the petitioner, it appears that the findings that has been arrived at that the findings and the redressal that has been arrived at by the executive engineer are too technical in nature. Stop. It does not appear that there is any violation of the principle of natural justice or any error in the decision-making process. Stuff. Next. In view of the above, the court is not inclined to exercise jurisdiction in this matter. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
Extremely grateful, Milord. Milord, kindly Milord, record the report and the exceptions are written.
Next.